Hi guys, it's Michelle here with Sweet Pea Farm NY. I just wanted to check in really quick with everyone and share a fun, easy fall craft that's up my alley. And it is making these little felted acorns. The other day we were at our camp in Sackets and just shutting everything down for the winter, and Chloe and I decided to gather a bunch of acorn tops. I brought them home and rinsed them off really quick just because the soil there is super sandy, and I wanted to get some started so that when she gets home she has some motivation and ideas. So I thought I'd share some with you. You can use them just like in a bowl for decoration, like as a fun fall decor. I made all different colors. This is just a natural brown. It is wool. It doesn't really look like it on the camera, but it is. And I made some green, and this is the colors I used for my pumpkins this year. And I'm working on a red one. And you just take the wool, and you don't need a lot for an acorn. You want to make sure you have the colors that you want on the outside, and roll it tightly into a ball. Hope I don't wake up my little helper over there. And once you have it rolled kind of in a tight little ball slash cylinder, you want to just seal the edge shut that you stopped rolling at, so that it holds tight by poking along that edge there. And then you just shape it. I usually like to flatten the top because that's the part that we're gonna hot glue into the acorn cap. And then I need to scoot and find another cap really quick. Sorry, I left them in the wrong spot. Look at this one, is 2 in 1. Okay. So you just want to kind of, as you're felting, measure. So that looks like if it's perfect. Sometimes it's like serendipity. It just works out that way. So you can even rub them in your hands a little bit to dry felt them a bit. Oh, that made that one really long. I don't want a carrot. I want an acorn. So I'm going to felt that back in. And you want to leave a little fluff at the end to make like the little acorn tip like they have. And then when you get done, I got one over here that's closer in red. Closer to done felting, so you guys aren't sitting here watching me stab forever. So then when you get done, it's as simple as taking your hot glue gun, and you put a little circle of the hot glue inside the cap. Oh, my glue is maybe taking a while to heat back up. There we go. Just put a little dab of the glue in there, and then push your little acorn in. Give it a second. It doesn't take long to dry, and then you have a little felted acorn. So, like I said, you can make a little garland, you can put them in a basket, you can use them to put like in the hands of another felted item you did if you want. Probably not a sheep, but like, you know, bunnies or squirrels. And it's really simple, and it's fun for the kids to do, and as long as you help them with the hot glue gun. And the acorn caps are free, and it just takes it's a great project for like those little extra tiny bits of wool you have laying around from other projects that you didn't think you needed. Roll them up. You can even put core wool in the middle of stuff if you don't want to use all the color, and glue them in little acorn caps to make some fall decorations. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of fun stuff coming up. The eggs in my incubator are going to hatch this week, probably Thursday, and so I'm going to try to catch as much of that on video as I can to share with you guys, and lambing season will start soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little video, and like I said, like and subscribe. If you feel like it, share the video on social media. That's a huge help. We will be sharing a lot more fun fall and Christmas craft ideas. All right, have a great day, everybody.